Hamjambo, welcome to our second lesson of our reading course. In the first lesson, we looked at the alphabet and we talked about what letters exist in the alphabet and how these consonants combine with vowels vocally to form syllables. Now, in this second lesson, we are going to look at vocally a, how consonants combine to vocally a. How do consonants combine to vocally a? So, kusoma silabi zenye vocali a. So we have a, ba, cha, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. Now that shows how the consonant combined with the vowel a. We move on to the next. Unganisha silabi kuunda neno. So we are going to combine syllables to make words. We have baba, which means father, mama, which means mother, dada, which means sister, taja, which means to mention, haraka, which means fast. So we go through them again. We have baba, father, mama, mother, dada, sister, taja, to mention, haraka, which means fast. Read the words. And the first word is barabara, which means road. Chapa, to beat. Baraka, blessings. Jar, to fill up or full. Bata, duck. Saa, watch or clock. Dawa, medicine. Paka, cat. We read again these words. Barabara, chapa, baraka, jar, bata, saa, dawa, paka. Now it's your turn to practice reading the words. Okay, we move on. Read the sentence. Kaka hana paka. Kaka hana paka. The brother does not have a cat. Paka analala. Paka analala, which translates to the cat is sleeping. Mama anaraha. Mama anaraha. Mother is happy. Anabata paka na kasa. Anabata paka na kasa, which translates to he has a duck, cat, and a turtle. So a turtle in Kiswahili is a cat.